also. So enthusiasm. So the word fascinated means fashion, fascinated, fashion means you are enthusiastic, you are very much excited. Fascination means you are fascinated for Navodaya Vidyalayas, okay? You are fascinated for running the companies, okay? You are fascinated for the sports, football sport, okay? You can keep like that examples also. But enthusiasm means highly excited, okay, right? So which has excited, enthused and inspired people, okay, right? Which of the following sequence is correct and mentioned in the paragraph? Technology, monitor, study. Which of the following sequence is correct as mentioned in the paragraph? Technology, monitor, study, or monitor, study, technology. Technology is not. Okay, I have to find
Sir,
study.
option
They are asking which of the following sequence. Okay, technology, monitor, study. Okay, but first of all, what they have given? First of all, I have to find technology. I will find technology. Wait. Man plays very important role in the modern man's world. It helps in the study of
sir,
space.
92 answer what?
Answer D. D correct only. Enthusiasm. Okay. Right. Okay, listen to this. Which of the following sentence is correct in the sequence? They are asking the sequence. So correctly, for this sequence also you have to involve in this sentence. Okay. First of all, they are asking technology, monitor, study. First of all, where is monitor? Monitor means what? First of all, monitor means what? Monitoring, leadership. First of all, technology already they have given. Technology diversion. Okay, it is okay. I will consider technology as X. And X, this technology is first or what is first I have to say. Two more sentences. Monitor and study. Okay, monitor and study. Yo, monitor here came. Where is study? Where is the study? Study. It helps in the study of space. Okay, study first, technology second, monitor third. Yes or no? Someone are speaking in the class. I don't know. With your parents or with your, what are you doing? Okay, first of all, everyone put on your video. Shivasai, put on your video. Shivasai. Pranath Kumar. Concentrating here.
Sir, Pranath
Pranath
Kumar.
Kumar, concentrating here.
Pranath Kumar.
Pranath Kumar.
బొంగు అయిపోయిందిగా
Pranath Kumar. Concentrate here, Pranath Kumar. Pranath Kumar. Pranath Kumar. Okay, I will pin the Pranath Kumar. Everyone wants see. Pranath Kumar, what you are doing? Are you watching the? Are you listening to this class or you are discussing with your parents? What happened, Pranath Kumar? He is concentrating outside. It's not good, Pranath Kumar. Distracted. Okay. You tell me the answer. Okay, you are. I'm not asking anything. You tell me this answer. What is the answer? Which of the following sequence is correct? You tell me the answer. 93rd answer. Fast, Pranath Kumar. It's for you only. Wait. Pranath Kumar. Let the Pranath Kumar speak. Pranath Kumar. Only Pranath Kumar means only one person only there now in this class. Yes. Put on your. Tell me the answer.
Sir, which one, sir?
93rd one. 93rd one.
First one only is coming. No, sir, now coming.
93rd one. Okay, I will tell. See, first what they did is came. They have came first study. Okay, study first. Technology second. Monitor third. Technology monitor third. Okay, technology study. What's the answer? Technology. What's the answer? You tell me the answer.
Monitor.
But they didn't given first study. Okay.
Technology.
Nowhere they have given study. They have, but after
Monitor
study they didn't given technology. So what's the sequence, children? Okay.
Sir, totally white coming.
Okay, wait for 20 seconds. No problem. It will load. Okay. Their satellite, your internet is somewhat.
Sir, okay.
Okay, good. So first of all, they are asked the sequence. So first we have to go through each and every sentence. So this somewhat typical, but still you can solve this question also. You have to deep dive into that. First of all, you have to understand what that sentence is mean to tell. Man-made side let play when inspired role. It inspired, fascinated and inspired. More about Earth. And you go and read the sentence, children. Go and read this passage once. What happened, Pranath Kumar? Tell me. Okay, what is happening there? Tell me. Okay.
Sir, total black coming. Black coming.
What black coming?
Total black coming.
What black? Screen is black, huh? Okay, Pranath, no problem. You tell me openly what you are seeing there. What's happening there? Tell me that at least in English. What's happening there in English? Tell me in English fast. What is happening there? You showing somewhat camera that side, no? No problem. Open up. Your friends are waiting for your words. No problem. Don't feel hesitate. Okay, tell me. I'm not telling you anything. Pranath Kumar, what happened? I'm just asking. I am also excited to know what is happening there. I am also eagerly interested to listen for your words. Tell me what is happened there.
Sir. Sir.
What happened? What happened there? Tell me first.
Marriage.
Okay. What happened? Marriage, huh?
Marriage, sir.
Okay, marriage is going on. Okay. Good. They are called. Are they invited you for marriage?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Here this somewhat different question came. Which of the following sequence is correct as mentioned in the paragraph? So you try. Okay, everyone in the class try. If I only tell means it won't go. Once again read the passage. Go deep dive into that passage.
Sir,
I am also
option.
reading. Man-made satellites plays very important role. You have to explain me why that answer also. Okay, children. Now I need explanation for this passage. It helps in the study of space. So first they have given in the study, but they didn't given first as study in this. Okay, they have given study here, but again monitor we need. Yes, it will get. You have to wait for 20 seconds in the study, inspired and find out more about it. Advance in the center technology. Satellite technology have diversified to such an extent has improved our day.
Sir, study technology monitor.
Yes, study technology monitor, but that is not there in the options. Forecast weather, climate change, disaster. Almost everyone today use satellite technology, paying by credit cards or using ATM machines. All involve satellite technology. Thus, satellites have become integral. Okay, in this technology means this one. It will become last. This paying credit cards are using ATM machines. All involve satellite technology. Almost everyone use satellite technology. But if I keep last, study monitor technology, it will become. So answer it will get C. But here also they have mentioned technology. So what's the answer? Actually, answer is first of all, study. What's mean by study? Study of satellites. Okay, good.
Sir, option C.
Okay, study of space.
Sir, option C. Sir, option C.
Okay, options. We have to choose. We have to choose C blindly because
Sir,
we
option
have to
C.
choose C blindly because they have given study first. They have given study first. Before study, there is no technology, no monitoring. Okay, that's why you have to choose study first. Okay, okay, no problem. This type of will come. We have to go ahead, go on clicking that, go on filling that anyone answer. No problem. Okay, right. We'll move fast. Next, the phrase present day man means the phrase present day man means man who is present, man present everywhere, man of every day, man of today. What's the meaning of this? Present day man, present day man, man who is present, or man present everywhere, man of every day, man of today. What's the answer? Okay, I will go
Sir,
through that.
option is
Okay, if they have asked, see, no need of thinking directly with your own. It's not at all good. It will take your more time. Okay, so you have what you have to do. You have to first of all go through that passage once again, again and again. Okay, they are asking that the phrase means the part of the piece of that sentence. Okay, what is the piece of that passage? Present day man. Piece of that sentence in the passage. Okay, present day man. I have to go through present day man. If it won't load also, you wait for 20 seconds. Okay, but what is the present day man? Where is the present day man? He is here in this passage. I have to pick first of all. Tell me at which line. Okay, who has identified? It's good. You have identifying skills, faster identifying skills.
Sir,
Okay, where
option
is
D.
where that present day
Sir,
man is there?
option
Tell
D.
me. Man of today, man who is present. Okay, but wait a minute. I have to go through this sentence only, this passage only. Directly I should not tell. Okay, wait, where is the present day is there? Man-made satellites play important role today. It helps the fascinated, inspired, and satisfied with the solar system. Advance in technology development, improved satellite communicate people, advance climate change. Almost everyone today. Where is present day man in this passage? I can't even found that. Here, okay. Part of present day man, okay. Thus, satellite have become an integral part of present day man. Present day man. Okay, what they have given options: man of today, man of every day, man present every day. This is wrong. Man present every day, it's wrong. It's absolutely wrong. Man of every day also, it's wrong. We have to pick in A or D. If you didn't understood this eliminating answers, you go ahead once again. You read once again. Okay, man of every day, man of present every day is wrong. What's actually man who is present or man of today? What's the answer? Thus, satellite have become an integral part of man who present, or thus satellite have become an integral part of man today. Okay. Thus, wait for 20 seconds, no problem. Man of today or man who is present. Okay. These type of meanings questions, these type of means, what you have to do if they give means, you have to pick that option. Okay, you have to pick that option. This means this there na, man of today is there na. You have to pick that phrase and you have to keep in the sentence. Okay, I have perfect confidence in man who is present and man of today. I will pick these two and I have to keep in the sentence. Man of today or man who is present. Okay. Thus, satellite have become an integral part of man of today. Or thus, satellite have become an integral part of man of present day. What's the answer? Thus, satellite have become an integral part of man of today. Yes, man of today is only correct. Yes, man who is present. I will
The
wait for
question
your
are
answer.
looking.
Wait 20 seconds. Wait. Okay, I will wait for 10 seconds. Will load. Okay. Thus, satellite have become an integral part of man who is present today or man of present day, or thus satellite have become an integral part of man of today. Man of today is absolutely correct answer. Why do you understood? I have picked that man of today and I have kept it here. Okay, I have replaced it here. Man of today. Man of today. I have checked. Is it correct or wrong? Okay. Man of today. Okay, right. So thus satellites have become an integral part of man of today. Right, right. Good. Answer is D. Perfect answer. Thus satellites has become an integral part of man who is present. Wrong. Satellites have become an integral part of man who is present. Wrong. Thus satellites have become an integral part of man present every day. Wrong. Thus satellites have become integral part of man of every day. Wrong. Thus, satellites have become integral part of man of today. Yes, it is absolutely correct answer. You have to pick that phrase in that sentence and you have to check. Okay. These ideas, these techniques, no one will teach you. Okay. You have to learn on your own self, or you can listen to me. Okay. You have to think of your own self also at this time. Good, good. Right. Answer is D. Perfect. Next, satellite technology cannot be used for speaking to friend in America, washing and drying clothes, taking out
Sir,
money
option
from bank,
B.
warning against storms.
Sir, option B. Sir, option B.
Yes. Option.
Oh, Kanya.
Lakshmi San we told first of all. First of all,
Kanya.
Lakshmi B you told na Lakshmi San.
Sir, B.
Yes, Lakshmi San we told first. Okay. Then Madhurika also told good. You are fast. That's good. You are fast in your class. You have to show your results also. Before 15 days, sir will call you. Okay. The examination before 15 days of the examination date, sir will call you everyone and sir will keep tests daily. You have to show your results at that time. Okay. You have to get at least above 90. 95 I will prefer, but if above 90 means if you get 100 also above 90 na. Yes, above 100. If you get 100 also above 90. I am telling above 90. You have to choose how much you want to get. 100 also above 90. Okay. Good. 195 also above 90. If I tell you need to pass means if you get 100 out of 100 also you are passed. Okay. That's your choice. How much results you want to get. You have to visualize yourself at early morning. If you visualize, that will give enthusiasm. That will give fascination for you throughout the day. Okay, right. This passage completed successfully, and these answers are B. And this man of today, I will rub everything, and I will. Okay, children, you are focusing a lot, but this Pranath Kumar is still speaking with those I am seeing from first of the class. But what happened, I don't know. He is also used to concentrate well in the class. But why I is distracting a lot, I don't know. It's not good, Pranath Kumar. As a friend, I am telling you, you have to take the valuable suggestions of good friends, not bad friends. They will tell to see here and there. Those friends are bad friends. They will tell to don't study. Those are bad friends. They are cheating you. They are lying you down. Okay. Who tell don't study, you don't follow those words. First of all, you should not follow people's word. Okay, but you have to follow good valuable suggestions. Okay, valuable words. This is man of today, option D, and this is study. Okay, right. Yes, this one option D, enthusiasm, and this one option B, space. Okay, you can go through this once again also after this class also. Okay, good children. Now I am going through. I will give you moral stories, children. You have to tell in this class. Okay, everyone, you have to tell in this class. Today's class, upcoming classes. First of all, you read this. I will send you this also. I will send you this also in your WhatsApp group. In our WhatsApp group, I will send you this. Just after waking up early in the morning, you have to read this. Today is going to be a wonderful day. I try to make full use of my time. I eat healthy, drink healthy, and think healthy. I can handle more than I think I can. I don't put off till tomorrow what I can do today. I can't be satisfied if I try to do my best. I try to do my best. Else I won't be satisfied. Things don't get better by worrying about them. If you worrying about all the unnecessary things, if you won't read speedily also, you are worrying. If you don't read, if you are not reading speedily, if you don't, no need to worry about that. But you have to practice. You have to try to do best. Okay, and there is always something to be happy about. I keep my mind away from evil thoughts. I try to be prompt in all things. I move freely with one and all. I try to be cheerful and make those around me happy. I don't sit like a rock. but work like a clock. I learn something important in my spare time. In my spare time also I learn. Yes, I will also learn something in my spare time. Not like while listening to the class, this Pranath Kumar is distracting. Na? It's not good. Okay. I speak freely and express myself elongantly. I try to be good, do good, and feel good all the day. Okay. Right. So you read these all. Okay, Pranath Kumar. It's not good, but you can rectify this your mistake. You should not focus like that. You are eagle or what you are sparrow. Eagle will focus. Eagle will sharp focus. Okay. It will pick the fish from the water and it will take away and it will eat that fish. But sparrow eat the food of eagle. After completing the food of eagle, that small pieces will be there, na? That will be eaten by other birds. Lion also will do like that only. If it eat elephant, that remaining pieces will be there, na? That was eaten by the sheeps. Okay, not only sheep, that is jackals, hyenas. Okay, you only decide. Are eagles laser sharp focus like eagle, and you only decide attitude like lion. Okay, good. So you read, I will send you in the group also, children. You read these all by feeling yourself. Okay, you have to feel yourself. You are only implementing in your life. Okay, good. You read this with feelings.
Okay, sir.
Every day in the morning. And one more task, every day, not only one day, 30 days a month, 365 days a year. Okay, you will see the changes. Okay, right. Next, one more. This is better living. God is so great. Yes, God is very great.
Tomorrow again join 5 o'clock.
Yes, 5 AM club. Okay, good. This Lakshmi sandwich and with seriousness, I appreciate for your seriousness. You have woken up at 5 AM and but you didn't dance. They are dancing. Everyone, those elder teachers, these experts, those only danced now. You have to see.
Sir, tomorrow
You may
again
also
join.
dance. Yes, this 5 AM club is there up to July 8th only. After July 8th, it won't be there. Okay, this also paid one. If you outside people will give money for this, okay, but they are making outside other people will take money for this sessions, okay, but the Impact Foundation is giving freely. This Shiva Sai also joined, but you have to implement, you have to practice in the class. They are telling, if they are telling money means in spite of money you can choose your studies. I will improve my studies. I am not concentrating perfectly this in the class or in outside the class. I will concentrate perfectly in the class. I will focus perfectly in the class. If you tell in the morning, you will definitely focus. Okay, I won't get distracted for external world. I have to learn. I have to improve my skills, internal world, my internal world. Okay, if you go to 6th class or 7th class, 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, they will ask you about studies. They will ask you about your rank. No one will ask you about where you are staying or where beside your home marriage is going or not. Someone will ask. Okay, some bad friends will ask. Some bad friends also will discuss these all unnecessary things, but these all not at all useful. They will also waste their time. They will fail in the exams. Not fail in the exam. They will pass border pass. Okay, borderly they will pass. Okay, right. Okay, they won't go through football coach, football gaming or games. These all things they used to chit chat. Okay, you have to choose your friends. Okay, right. So tomorrow onwards, I will give you attend. Everyone try to attend and try to implement that. Okay, if they take money or financial, those all things. Okay, what? Komal, something you are telling. Link I have sent that only. Yes, I have sent that first day, na, that link only. It will work for July 8th. Or if there any update, I will send tomorrow also. 4:30 at 4:45 I will send. Or maximum 4:30 I will send. Okay. Sir. This one more thing. This is first class book, but this first even 4th class people can't read this. Even 5th class students also can't read or can't even understand perfectly what is there in this sentences. What is there in this chapters? Okay. This is for this is moral book of moral books and values. Okay, this is you have to read and you have to tell in the class. Okay, if you wish only, if your wish, it's your wish. Who are interested, they can tell in your class. Okay, prayer in the morning, prayer at night. God is great and wonderful. God is everywhere. This total 12 chapters are there. You can choose your own chapter and you have to tell tomorrow. Okay, today only 7 members, 6 members are there in the class now. So Pranath is there still now. Okay, it's great. he has patience, but he is not concentrating well. Okay, but you can improve this concentration also. But I will appreciate you, Pranath, for your staying till end of the class. Okay, good. But don't divert. Okay, in the class you have to focus. If you want to focus, you just remember the eagle. Eagle, you know, again I don't need to tell. It will catch the fish. Fish, where it will be? You can see the fish inside the water? No, you can't see, because it will swim in the inside the water. Okay, 1 meter, 2 meter inside the water. You can't see from top. Okay, have you seen any fish in the water? Anybody? Directly, have you seen anybody fishes in the water? You can't see. But that eagle will focus, sharp focus. It will see from away top. Okay, it will focus and it will catch and it will take away. Okay, you can remember that eagle while if you want to focus like eagle in the class. Okay, if you want to focus laser sharp focus, if you want sharp focus, you can remember eagle. It will take the fish from the water. Okay, right. But we can't even see the fishes in the water because we won't not focus, but it will swim inside the water. Okay, these are all about God wisdom of words. Always start the day with smiling face. Okay, with happy face you have to start your day. And these all you can also, I will share the screen while you are explaining the class. Okay, you once read this. The best way to start the day is to pray in the morning with smiling face. Praying to God gives us strength. We need to do our daily work. We ask God to lead us on right path so that we can become good children. Morning is the best time to pray because after a peaceful sleep, our mind is fresh and pure. Okay, you read this. I will send you after this class. You read this, children, and you choose your chapters. You may choose your own chapters and you can explain in the class. Okay, you have to explain. You must explain in the class, children. Okay, this is easiest class. This first class textbook. Okay, you have to read this, understand this, and you have to explain. Okay, I will send after this class. Okay, right.
It is smiling.
These all things. Okay, these are good habits. We have to be thankful for our God. Okay, I'm ending this class, children. I will send this book. Okay, you get ready to explain in the class. Okay, right, children. I'm ending this session. Good. Pranath Kumar. Okay, I hope you will improve. You are a good boy actually. You are also you are a talented boy, na? Yes or no? You tell me first of all. Are you talented boy or not? Tell me. You no need to tell me yes. You have to tell me I am a talented boy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are intelligent boy. Yes, everyone. Shiva Sai, are you intelligent boy or not? Tell me yes, sir. I am intelligent boy.
Sir.
If you feel yourself intelligent, you will become intelligent. Komal, are you intelligent boy or what you are? Talented boy and intelligent boy or not? Yes.
Sir,
Tell me yes.
intelligent.
Tell me yes, I am intelligent
Yes, sir.
and talented boy. Okay, good. Next, Ram Surya. Tell me fast. I will end this class. Okay, next. Tell me. Lakshmi Sanvi is also tried. I asked her to tell, but she left. Okay. Right. I'm ending the meeting. Bye, children. Right. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Yes.